Welcome to Adam's Wing. Today, we dive deep into the world of one of the most popular commercial aircraft in history, the Airbus A320. Designed for efficiency, comfort, and reliability, this narrow-body jetliner has revolutionized air travel since its launch in the 1980s. Whether you're an aspiring pilot, an aviation enthusiast, or just curious about how modern airliners work, this video will guide you through the basics of the A320. The Airbus A320 was first introduced in 1988 and was a game-changer in aviation. It became the first commercial aircraft to feature a fully digital fly-by-wire control system, replacing traditional mechanical controls with electronic systems. This innovation not only reduced pilot workload but also improved safety and fuel efficiency. Let's talk specifications. The A320 has a typical seating capacity of 150 to 186 passengers in a two-class layout, with a maximum range of approximately 3,400 nautical miles, depending on the model. It's powered by either CFM International or Pratt & Whitney engines, delivering the perfect balance between performance and fuel efficiency. One of the standout features of the A320 is its cockpit. One of the most innovative features of the A320 is its fly-by-wire system. Instead of mechanical linkages, the aircraft uses electronic signals to control the flight surfaces. This system enhances safety by providing envelope protection, which prevents the aircraft from exceeding its operational limits. With advanced avionics, a side-stick control, and an intuitive glass cockpit display, pilots have a streamlined experience, making this aircraft a favorite among flight crews. The glass cockpit includes large LCD screens that display all critical flight information. The primary flight display, or PFD, shows altitude, speed, and attitude, while the navigation display provides route and weather information. Unlike conventional control yokes, the A320 uses a side stick for flight control inputs. This design reduces pilot workload and improves ergonomics. The Flight Management System, or FMS, is the brain of the aircraft. Pilots use it to input flight plans, monitor fuel consumption, and optimize the route for efficiency. The MCDU features a small screen with a keypad, allowing pilots to enter waypoints, fuel calculations, and other critical parameters. Integrated with the aircraft's fly-by-wire system, it enhances automation and efficiency, reducing pilot workload while ensuring precise flight operations. Modern A320s, including the A320neo, have upgraded MCDUs with improved displays and touchscreen capabilities for even greater ease of use. The A320 family includes several variants, such as the A318, A319, A321, and the newer A320neo. The SNEO, which stands for New Engine Option, offers even greater fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and quieter operations, making it an environmentally friendly choice for airlines. Notice the winglets at the end of the wings. These vertical extensions reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency by minimizing vortex formation at the wingtips. During takeoff, the A320's powerful engines and advanced aerodynamics allow it to climb quickly and efficiently. The aircraft's maximum takeoff weight is approximately 78 tons, and it can reach a cruising speed of Mach 0.78, or about 511 knots. After landing, the A320 is quickly turned around for its next flight. Its efficient design and reliability make it a workhorse for airlines around the world. Passengers love the A320 for its spacious and quiet cabin. With wider seats and larger overhead bins compared to its competitors, the A320 ensures a comfortable journey, whether it's a short-haul or medium-haul flight. The aircraft is also equipped with modern galleys and lavatories, ensuring a comfortable experience for both passengers and crew. Today, over 10,000 A320 aircraft have been delivered, and they operate in every corner of the globe. Airlines rely on the A320 for its versatility, low operating costs, and impressive performance. Various airliners operate the Airbus A320 for their short and medium-haul flights. American Airlines is the largest operator of the Airbus A320, while Indigo is the largest customer with the most A320s on order. It is a true marvel of modern aviation, combining advanced technology, efficiency, and passenger comfort. Whether you're flying on one or learning to pilot it, the A320 represents the future of air travel. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the story of the Airbus A320. Please subscribe and follow us for more videos. Have a great day.